Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So today's video is a shopping haul. For those of you all who don't know, I stay in Pune and recently I went to this place called MG Road. MG Road in Pune is really famous for their street shopping. It's been long since I've done street shopping. I guess the last video I made was of Esplanade Calcutta and it was in Feb or March, somewhere near there, and I really love street shopping and I got some really cool stuff in decent prices. So before starting the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, then I please request you to take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now without any further detail, let's just get started with the video. So as I already told you, MG Road में बहुत सारी street shopping के options, so you will get everything there from books to clothes, फुटवेयर, एक्सेसरीज, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल देयर. एज वेल एज वहाँ पे बहुत सारी ना ऐसे शॉप्स भी है जिसमें यू विल गेट होम डेकोर पीसेज, कुर्तीज वगैरह भी काफी मिलती है. एंड वहाँ पे खाने पीने के भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, बहुत सारे कैफेज है एंड दे हैव फ्यू आइकॉनिक ईटरीज एज वेल. सो इवन इफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन शॉपिंग, यू कैन जस्ट गो देयर, वॉक अराउंड द स्ट्रीट्स and eat whatever you want to. So let's just move on to the first thing which I got. So the first thing which I got are these two t-shirts. I got these t-shirts from the same store. So this is how the first one looks like. And the second t-shirt which I got from the same store was this one. Trust me guys, the quality is really nice. After washing both of these t-shirts, इनके धागे एकदम भी नहीं निकले, ना ही इनका कपड़ा थोड़ा सा भी stretch हुआ. And I got them for 250 rupees each. Next thing which I got are dresses. So the first one is this one. यहाँ पे ऐसा टाइप वाला डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है, प्लस इसके बैक में वी गेट दिस इलास्टिक थिंग सो दैट इट कैन फिट यू परफेक्टली. एंड आई रियली लाइक द लेंथ ऑफ दिस ड्रेस. द फैब्रिक इज रियली नाइस. ये घर पे आके मैंने वॉश भी किया था. इट फिट्स मी परफेक्टली. बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर फिटिंग है इसकी. देयर इज दिस वन मोर थिंग विद दीज स्टॉल्स कि अगर आपको कुछ भी फिट नहीं आता, अगर आप घर जाके ट्राई करते हो एंड यू कैन गो अगेन एंड आप उसको एक्सचेंज करवा सकते हो. यस, आई रियली लाइक दिस ड्रेस. I got a playsuit as well from the same stall, and this is how the playsuit looks like. The moment I saw this playsuit, I was like, shit, I just want this playsuit because I really like the color and the print. And this fits me perfectly. मैंने जब ये लिया था, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद ही मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइट होगा. But when I came home and tried it, it fitted me perfectly fine. मैंने इन दोनों के मिला के around 850 या 900 rupees दिए थे उनको. So it came around 450 rupees each. The next thing which I got are these shorts. This is one of my favorite buys from this haul. I love these shorts. I love the way it fits me. These are high-waisted shorts, by the way. I love the color as well, and the fabric and everything is also very nice. I just want to give you one tip. If you're going to MG Road and if you're shopping from street sellers, जो भी piece आप अपने लिए choose करो, please see if there is any defect on it. And I paid 200 rupees for these shorts, which I think is a great deal. Moving on, I got a denim for myself. It is a jogger style denim and this is how it looks like. I'm going to say this for everything. I love the fit because everything I got just fits me so perfectly. I really like the color of this denim. I really like the quality of this denim. जिस स्टॉल से हमने ये डेनिम ली थी, उनके पास और भी बहुत सारी वैरायटी के डेनिम्स थी. मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी 2 बार पहना है एंड आई कैन से दैट इट इज रियली कंफर्टेबल एंड बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटी की है ये. एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर 450 rupees. So the next thing which I got are 2 shirts and I am loving these shirts. So the first one is this one. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you must have seen me wearing this. This was for 200 rupees and I am loving this shirt. I think the quality is really nice and it is a really great deal. मतलब ऐसी quality का and अच्छी fabric का shirt 200 रुपए में is really a great deal. And both of these shirts are cropped shirts. The next shirt which I got is this one. This is again a cropped shirt. I love the print on this shirt. Alright, we are just left with one last clothing item, and which is this t-shirt. So ripped t-shirts are all over the internet right now, and I got myself this ripped t-shirt in just 200 rupees. And I really like the color of this t-shirt. The fabric is also really nice, and according to the price point as well, this t-shirt is really nice. Alright, I just checked with accessories and all those items. I got a set of this scrunchie. These are the two colors which I got. Both of these scrunchies are for 30 rupees each. The next thing which I got is this bag. I really like the print on this bag. इस type की bags आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा in है, and it is really spacious. It has 2 compartments. And इसके यहाँ पे पीछे भी zip दी हुई है. And I got this bag for 250 rupees. Alright, the last thing which I got are few accessories. The first one is this one. उनके पास इसमें 3-4 कलर्स भी अवेलेबल थे. They had a black, a white and a blue as well. But I gravitated the most towards this purple color. I really like this, and the quality is also very nice. And I got this just for rupees 80. I got one more pendant, and it is this beautiful evil eye. I really like these kind of dainty pieces, and बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा मेरे को ये pendant. The chain quality is very nice, and this was again for rupees 80. मतलब मैंने जितनी भी accessories इनसे ली है, these are all for rupees 80. I got one more evil eye, but it is an anklet, and I think this is really cute. आप इसको एक bracelet की जैसे भी पहन सकते हो. Again, the chain quality is very nice. It is really thin, बहुत ज़्यादा पतली, but ऐसी नहीं कि टूट जाए जल्दी से. And the second last thing which I got are a set of these rings. These are 3 rings which I got. First one looks like this. This is the second one. And this is the third one. आप इनको individually भी पहन सकते हो. You can just layer them up and wear, and it will look really nice and pretty. I just left with the last one piece, and it is these shades. I really like these shades. Pictures वगैरह click करवाने के लिए these will be a perfect shades. These are all over Instagram right now, and I got these ones just for rupees 150, which is a really nice deal. Alright you guys, with this I finished my MG Road haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comments down below कि आपको इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ें कौन सी लगी. And do go ahead and follow me on my Instagram as well. And don't forget to like, share and comment on this video if you like it. Till then, bye bye, take care.